What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Top 5 Trey. Today we're taking a look at a gaming mouse that's clearly built for people who want pure speed, ultra-light control, and competitive level precision. Not bulky designs, not average sensors, but a mouse that's engineered to keep up with fast reactions and serious gameplay. This is the Attack Shark R6, and right away this thing is built different. It's insanely lightweight, packed with high-end hardware, and designed for users who actually care about performance, not just aesthetics. Quick reminder before we jump in, the product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If these breakdowns help you choose smarter tech, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let's break down what makes the Attack Shark R6 a serious option. Let's start with the biggest headline feature, the weight. This mouse comes in at just 39 grams. That's ultra lightweight territory, and in real-world use, this makes a massive difference. Movements feel effortless, flick shots become faster, and you get a level of control that heavier mice just can't match. Less weight means less resistance, which means faster reactions and better precision. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or just want smoother control, this is a huge advantage. Now let's talk about performance, because this mouse doesn't hold back. It's powered by the PixArt PAW3950MAX sensor, one of the most advanced gaming sensors available. You're getting up to 42,000 dpi, which means extremely precise tracking and insane sensitivity control. In real use, this translates to accuracy. No jitter, no random movement, just clean, consistent tracking that responds exactly to your input. Whether you play low sensitivity for precision aiming or high sensitivity for speed, this sensor adapts perfectly. And it's not just about DPI. Polling rate matters too. The Attack Shark R6 supports up to an 8K polling rate, which means it reports your movements up to 8,000 times per second. That results in near instant response time, giving you a noticeable edge in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. Performance like this is built for competitive players who demand the fastest possible response. Inside, the mouse is powered by the Nordic 52840 MCU, which ensures stable wireless performance and efficient processing. This helps maintain a smooth and reliable connection whether you're gaming wirelessly or wired. Speaking of connectivity, you're getting tri-mode support, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connection. This gives you complete flexibility. Use 2.4 GHz for low latency gaming, Bluetooth for everyday tasks across devices, and wired mode when charging or when you want zero interruptions. That versatility makes the R6 more than just a gaming mouse. It's an all-purpose tool that fits into any setup. Comfort is also a big focus here. Despite being ultra-light, the mouse features an ergonomic design that fits naturally in your hand. The shape supports long sessions without causing fatigue, and the button placement feels intuitive and easy to reach. You're not adjusting to the mouse adapts to you. Customization is another strong point. With programmable buttons, you can assign macros, shortcuts, or game-specific controls. This adds efficiency whether you're gaming competitively or working through tasks. Durability is also built into the experience. This mouse is designed to handle intense usage while maintaining consistent performance. Every click feels responsive, giving you confidence in both gaming and everyday use. And because it's rechargeable, you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. Just plug it in when needed or switch modes and keep going. Compatibility is wide as well. The Attack Shark R6 works with Windows, Mac, laptops, and even consoles like Xbox and PlayStation. So no matter where you play or work, this mouse is ready to go. Design-wise, the clean black finish gives it a sleek, professional look. It doesn't rely on flashy elements, it focuses on performance and simplicity, which honestly fits the whole identity of this mouse. What really defines the Attack Shark R6 is how everything comes together. You've got an ultra-light 39-gram design for speed, a high-end PAW3950MAX sensor for precision, up to 42 kDpi for customization, 8K polling rate for ultra-fast response, Nordic 52840 MCU for stability, tri-mode connectivity for flexibility, and an ergonomic build for comfort. This isn't just another gaming mouse. It's built for people who take performance seriously. If you're looking for a super lightweight mouse that delivers top-tier tracking, ultra-fast response, and real competitive advantages, the Attack Shark R6 is absolutely worth considering. The product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Are you going for ultra-light performance, or do you prefer something heavier? I'll catch you in the next one.